What's up 1KB gang? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and in today's video we're about to start a brand new series. Out here we have some bricks and we have some stone that we're about to install in this home here. And if you know your boy Ryan, we're gonna go through step by step teaching you guys how to do this yourself. So if this is something that you're interested in learning how to do, stick around. I promise you by the end of this video you will learn. No further ado, let's dive right into it. Let me take you around, show you what it's like and what we're about to do in today's video. Let's dive right into it. So we have the stone here. So it's a 3-dimension stone. As we go in the video you will see. And we have over here a concrete brick. So it's a concrete brick that we'll be using. So on this one here we're going right up to the window there with stone, and then brick gonna continue on. That piece there gonna be stone, go all the way up. I have some big columns gonna be there. Take care on this side. So here we go with 5 feet with stone from the foundation. Let's go right up 5 feet. We're gonna have a skirt go all the way around. The space here is a little bit tight, but we'll figure a way how to work it out. Heading to the back right now. It's a little bit high over here. And as you see, they use a zip system flashing tape. This system don't require Tyvek, so we're just gonna tape the seam and go right over with our brick. This is the back section. It's gonna be a little bit challenging for us around the back here to set up scaffolding, but we'll figure it out how we're gonna do that. So I'm at the back now. We're gonna go to the side section now. So I'm on the side section now. This is where we plan to start to lay our stone. Like I said, we're gonna go right above that window there with this stone, which is gonna be around 5 feet from the foundation. Go right up there. So let's see here, we have a 2 inches foam right onto our foundation. What I plan to do here, we plan to install a sill. We're gonna install a sill here, and after we install our sill, we're gonna step back in with our stone. That way we have a overlap right along here. You see as we go how we're gonna do that. Space is a little bit tight, but we'll figure out how we're gonna work it out. Alright, so I'm gonna start by installing my weeping plastic right onto my foundation ledge here. I'm gonna fold this guy into a 90-degree. Corner here, we're gonna set up the corner a little bit different.
Does it help?
Huh?
Does it help?
Yeah, we put some stone here.
Stone here?
Yeah, go all the way down.
Oh, in the front.
The stone is outside. Yeah.
Yeah, but you that sill first, right?
Yeah, but yeah, you can probably bring a few of the sill first. Yeah, and then after the stone. So we're gonna go through just like you see I'm doing here. I'm gonna fold it. After we're gonna tape the seam. You get the gist. So we finished to install our base flashing. This is a very important step to ensure that you won't have any water on the inside of your house later on. So make sure you don't skip this step. Base flashing, usually we install them around 6 inches below where the bottom of the plate start from the foundation ledge, or if you can start it right at the level of where the plate is from the foundation ledge. As you see here, we have it nicely installed. We tape our seam, we tape betwixt the window and the flashing. Okay, so now we're gonna make our mix. We're using a Federal white cement. First thing I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add my water. I had 3/4 bucket of water in my mixer. Now we're gonna start our mixer. So our mixer start now. Now we're gonna measure our sand. So to mix Federal White mortar for bricklaying, the standard ratio usually is part 1 Federal White masonry cement to 2.5 to 3 part of sand. That simply means if you're measuring the sand in a bucket, you want to use the same bucket to measure the cement. So for instance, if we're using that bucket that we just used and we use 3 shovels of sand to fill the bucket, you want to put the cement in the bucket and see how many cement fill the bucket. Now with my bucket that I'm using, 1 bag of that cement fill the bucket right up to the top, so I know I need to put 2.5 to 3 part of sand into my mixer in order to meet the ratio of 1 bag of this cement. Now this mixer can hold up to 5 bag of cement. We're only gonna make 2 bags, but as we go in the video, you will see how we're gonna make our mix. For the 2 bags of Federal White cement, I use totally 3 buckets of water, the same size bucket that I'm using. I'm gradually gonna keep on adding the water until I get the consistency of I would say the mayonnaise peanut butter, and it based on what you're using the mortar for, because in some case you might use the mortar for bricklaying, or you might use the mortar for stone installation. Now if you're using it for stone installation, might want to make it a more stiffer rather than if you're using it for brick. It need to be a little bit more, looser than the one for the stone. Again, in most cases you might need to use a white sand. Now we're using here a regular all-purpose sand because this is what my client require because of the color that he's going with. You want a more creamier color instead of a more whiter color, just to put that out there. So we finish our mixture. Now we just tilt it in our box and ready for installation. Tune in for the next video, what that's gonna come up when we're gonna go through our stone installation or brick installation. Subscribe so when we upload that video you get notified and you can come back and watch that video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I'll just see after we finish we had some water in our mixer box. Peace out.